Honorable ambassadors, esteemed investors, distinguished government officials, and visionary leaders, it is my profound honor to stand before you today at the first ever Diaspora Connect Room. As you know, I am Evelyn Puije, Vice President of the Voice of Africa and founder of the Countess Foundation, where we create self-sustaining communities, enabling individuals to flourish and make meaningful, positive impact. At the Voice of Africa, we are not dreaming about Africa's future, we are building it. We are the gateway, creating an ecosystem where Africa businesses thrive. The diaspora invests boldly, and Africa stands as a global leader. Africa cannot wait. The world is shifting rapidly. Decisions are being made without our voices at the table. Investment is being redirected, critical partnerships are being scaled back. But Africa's destiny must never depend on aid. It must be driven by us, our entrepreneurs, our businesses, our investors, our diaspora. Little drops of water makes a mighty ocean. Today's steps will shape the future of our continent. The Diaspora Connection is not an event, it is a movement. Today, we move from conversation to deals, from ideas to impact. Matchmaking sessions connecting businesses and investors, presentations unveiling Africa's rising projects, vendors showcasing Africa's finest innovations. We are here to build, we are here to invest, we are here to lead. The Voice of Africa is already leading the way through our subsidiaries. Voice of Africa Media, amplifying the voice of our people. Experience Africa, hosting the largest Pan-African gathering in Washington, D.C. Ambassador of Africa program, empowering the next generation. The Trade, Investment and Tourism Forum, bridging Africa with global investors. Experience Africa Tours, reconnecting the diaspora to the heartbeat of the continent. The time is now. Africa is not a continent of problems, it is a continent of solutions. The diaspora is not distant. It is active, engaged, and powerful. And the Voice of Africa is not just another organization, it is the gateway to Africa's renaissance. The future belongs to those who build it. So today we are not waiting for change. We are the change. Thank you to the John Hopkins Africa Business Club, our sponsors, our partners, and the incredible Voice of Africa team. Let's get to work and make history. Thank you.